Hello everyone, Larry over Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliancy. So for this week's malware and ransomware, a lot of things happening out there in the world again, and a lot of things you got to be careful about. The first thing is, if you use Adobe Photoshop, Bridge, or Prelude, you need to make sure you get the latest security update as quick as you can. The next thing, Intel launched an investigation into an alleged breach that leaked 20 gigabyte of its data containing source code and internal documents labeled as confidential and restricted secret among other files. Maze ransomware attackers allegedly pilfered 10 terabyte of data from Canon, affecting the company's US website, email system, Microsoft Teams, and other internal applications. Once again, Beaumont Health fell victim to a data breach for the second time in 4 months, impacting the personal information of around 6,000 patients. The Maze ransomware group claimed to leak 50.2 gig and 25.8 gigabyte of internal data from networks of LG and Xerox Corporation respectively, after the organization refused to fulfill the hackers' ransoms demands. Zello, a push-to-talk messaging app used by over 140 million people, revealed undergoing a data breach exposing email addresses and fragmented passwords of users after facing an unauthorized activity in the network. Cyber adversaries targeted the online Michigan bar exam in a distributed denial of service attack. ExamSoft Worldwide Inc., a vendor facilitating the exam, confirmed that no data was compromised in the incident. Thank you for watching and have a great, safe week.